Hi and welcome to Elvatech Academy. My name is Sergey, and in this video we will look at how to quickly and easily calculate the value of precious metals in catalytic converters using the ProSpector 2 analyzer. People who buy or process catalytic converters often need more than just the composition. They also need an instant financial estimate. You have to know how much a converter is worth based on the actual content of platinum, palladium and rhodium. In ProSpector 2, this process is automated. You simply set the current price per gram of pure metal for each element you need and enter the mass of the sample. The analyzer then automatically calculates the amount of pure metal in the sample from the measured concentrations and mass, multiplies it by the price you set, and shows the total value of all precious metals in the sample. Instant calculation in ProSpector 2 saves time and removes errors from manual math. No complex formulas or tables, just a ready financial report in a few clicks. That's the end of the theory. Next comes the live demo.
Turn mystery into potential with XRF Solutions by Elvatech. Precision that empowers confidence.
So here on the table I have the sample of car catalysts ready for analysis in the sample cup, and we will measure this sample to show you how this feature works. So first of all I need to choose the right calibration mode, and I will choose the car catalysts mode. And now we need to set the price for each element. To do this, we need to go in this mode to the menu options, and here you need to find the price of rhodium, palladium and platinum. Click it once. Now on the screen you see the table where you need to enter the you need to choose the first of all the price, the currency that you want to use. I will choose USD. Yeah, we will calculate the price of our sample in United States dollars. And now we need to set the price per each element. So the first we have it's rhodium. We just click twice on the cell, and here we need just to enter the price in dollars. Yeah, we will set, for example, 500s. And the next one you need to choose per what you want to calculate the price, per gram, per kilogram or milligram. I will choose the gram. And the next we need to set all this for each element. The same we will do for palladium. We will set, for example, $300, and also we set gram. And platinum we will also set, for example, 400s and also per gram. And that's it. And now we just click OK, and we are ready to analyze our sample. So now we will set the duration, 10 seconds, it's enough for us. And now we will place our sample and just press the start button. So now on the screen you see the results of the measurement, yeah, and you see the total concentrations, the concentrations of rhodium, palladium, platinum and other elements, and you see we have the 910 ppms of rhodium, palladium 6240 and platinum 1780. And we have the total price is $3.04 per gram, but we didn't enter the sample weight. To do this, we need to go to the options, and you see right below the price of rhodium, palladium, platinum, we have the sample weight, and we just press the sample weight. And for example, we will calculate the price for 3 grams of this sample. we just set the 3 and click OK, and now you see that the analyzer recalculated the price of this sample of car catalyst, and now you see on the screen that we have the 3 grams of the sample and the concentrations are the same, but the price changed. So the analyzer recalculated the price of this sample based on the weight of the sample, and now it says us that this sample costs $9.12. This is how easy you can just work with the analyzer and calculate the price of precious metals in car catalysts. As you have seen, the automatic cost calculation feature makes the work much simpler and faster. If you still have questions or want to learn more about ProSpector 2 features, leave a comment or contact our managers. And don't forget to subscribe to Elvatech YouTube channel. There are many useful lessons ahead. See you in the next videos.